Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It's August 8th, and this is going to be your newsletter for the beginning of the week. Coming into this week, I've been basically looking for the market to top out, slow down, pull back, something along those lines. And it's been challenging to find the right spot, mostly because it hasn't been happening yet, but I still think that the right idea is there, that we should be expecting price to slow down, flag, pull back a little bit. I'm kind of eyeballing the daily 21 at some point, mostly because price is pretty extended here, and also because we're running into a lot of this resistance. If we look around at some of the other indices, we can see, say, the SOXX, the semis, are starting to go that direction, mostly because we had, I think Nvidia came out and they were looking pretty rough on their earlier guidance. So what we can see here is we're running into this upper trend line along with being overbought, meaning off of the 8 EMA and up around the third ATR. And then you can't quite see it because this isn't wanting to load, but the Moxie indicator is basically looking like this compared to price going up, so there's some negative divergence. And you can really start to see that negative divergence come in quite heavily on the 15-minute time frame and start to get stuck underneath these moving averages. And then if we look at Nvidia as kind of the example of what I'm looking at and looking for the indexes to do. And it doesn't have to be this extreme, but I am basically looking for a pullback like that on the indices. So either to the daily 21, daily 50, something to that extent. And I can kind of show you that there are some examples here that are leading the way, and you can even see that here using the Moxie indicator. I had these drawn out earlier, but you can see here that the Moxie indicator basically went flat compared to this run up in the price. And so that was what I was seeing as some negative divergence. We're seeing very similar in the indices. And then I think probably what's going to happen is it's going to be the CPI number that's going to do this. Now, inflation could, and just kind of theorizing here, but the inflation could actually be lower this time. But if it's not lower by much, that might also be a problem. So just keep in mind that it may not be the raw number. It could also just mean, well, how well or how not well is it doing, and it will determine how traders respond to it. So I think that there's going to be a move regardless of what those CPI numbers are going to be and kind of whatever excuse the market makers are going to make with that. So we'll check it out, and we'll see you guys on Wednesday, Thursday. Thanks again.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.